Hello, welcome to BERRYS. From now on, I will explain how to install the BERRYS magnetic paddle shifter. First, look under the genuine paddle shifter on the steering wheel, and you will see a small hole and a wire pin in it. Remove the airbag by pushing with a flathead screwdriver through the airbag holes on both sides. Keep pulling to prevent the airbag from retracting. For Stinger GT, there is an additional lock at the bottom. Press with the screwdriver to remove the airbag. Put the airbag on the steering wheel frame. Then unscrew both sides of the genuine paddle shifter with the crosshead screwdriver. And pull out the paddle shifter from the steering wheel. And disconnect the connector using the tool that came with it. The genuine screws are not compatible, so unscrew the provided screws. Plug the connector to the BERRYS magnetic paddle shifter and put it back in place until it clicks. Genuine screws are not compatible, so use the provided screws to tighten the steering wheel frame both sides. Insert the airbag into place so that it is hooked on the lock. Just like that, your installation of the BERRYS magnetic paddle shifter is completed. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you see you again soon.